Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this platform here called Payhip, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money from this platform, right? Can you sell downloads, courses, coaching programs? Let's check it all out. Is this a big waste of time or not? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies, platforms, and ways to make money online, and some of them are really good, some of them are so-so, a lot of them though are a big waste of time. So let's check out Payhip to find out exactly what this is and whether this is a good way for you to generate income. All right, so the first thing that you need to understand is Payhip is basically a platform where you can create your products and house them and sell them. That's essentially what it is. All right, so that means that if you are already a creator, if you already have a course, maybe you're an entrepreneur and you have a coaching program, right, you can use this platform to sell everything on here. Also, if you're thinking about it, you can also use this platform, right? That's essentially what it is, right? So the cool thing with Payhip is that it's very easy to get started. You can click on here, get started for free. And really, you can get started for free, and I'm going to show you this in a second, right? And you can sell any sort of digital download. It could be an ebook, a software, a digital asset, a template, a video, music. Anything that's digital that someone can download is considered a digital download, right? Online courses. So, videos, digital files, quizzes, let's just say you're a weight loss coach, or maybe you're a marriage coach, or maybe you're a cryptocurrency coach, you're an affiliate coach like myself, right? You can sell an online course here, right? If you have coachings, one-on-one, Zooms, you could actually charge people through the platform and then meet up with them on Zoom. If you have some sort of membership site where it's, recurring, so that means you've got digital downloads, but people have to pay a recurring fee like $50 a month to access your memberships. You can do that here. You can even sell physical products, which is pretty cool, okay? So they've got a physical product setup, which is cool. It's like e-commerce, kind of like Shopify, right? You can use it to sell as well, okay? So if you want to check it out, let's hear. I'm going to show you some of the themes that you can use to actually sell, right? And this is just an idea of what some of your shops could look like, okay? It could look like that. Someone lands here, someone lands onto, let's just say you're selling ebooks and things like that, right? This is an actual theme, for example. Someone would land on your shop and it kind of looks like this. Maybe you're selling some sort of ebook and they could click on this and go inside and have a look at more details, right? You can kind of list it out like this, right? View the course, and then it would go in and it would basically give them a little bit more details on the course. You could add pictures, you can add words, you can add video like this, all right, for someone to see it. It could be a sales video, and then when somebody is ready to buy, there will be a buy button. All right, there's also like course curriculum. This is nice, breaks down the course curriculum a little bit, right? You can open it up like that, check that out, right? You can check it out like that, okay? So, it shows you exactly what it is. And then when someone's ready to go, they can actually click on and actually pay for it, right? So when they click on here, and I'll talk to you about how this works in a second, okay? This goes to the checkout page, right? It's very simple. It's got a nice picture. People can log in, and then they can either pay with a card or with PayPal. We'll talk about that in a second. And then they pay, and then you generate commissions directly from your merchant account, which again, we'll talk about in a second. So that's essentially how one of the themes might work for you, depending on what kind of product or membership or digital download you want to sell, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about the pricing and how this actually works. Now, the thing that I like about Payhip is that you really can get it for free. All right, they've got a free forever option, which is pretty nuts. All right, now how do they do that? Well, they charge a 5% transaction fee on whatever you charge. Okay, so you can use PayPal or Stripe, and PayPal or Stripe will charge their regular fee. So you're paying two fees. All right, it's not that bad if you really think about it, especially if you don't want to pay to actually get your membership or digital product website setup, if that makes sense, right? So they charge a 5% transaction fee, and then if you use PayPal or Stripe, their fees are usually about 3 to 4% roughly, okay? So essentially think about it as you're spending roughly about 9 to 10% on fees, but you basically get to set everything up for free if you decide to use the free forever option, right? Now the nice thing is you get access to everything. They don't limit you on anything. All features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue. Now the plus version, you pay $29 per month, okay? And they will charge you a smaller fee, 2%, right? You still have to pay PayPal and Stripe fees, okay? But everything is the same. Or you use the pro version which is $99 a month, which by the way is still very competitive for this type of platform. Okay, if you compare it to things like Thinkific, to Kartra, to ClickFunnels, to a lot of the big membership style websites, right? Shopify, they're all about this price anyway. Okay, so no transaction fees, but you still have to pay transaction fees for your merchant accounts like PayPal and Stripe, which is very normal, by the way. Unfortunately, they have no control of that because it's a third-party solution, right? But you get access to all features and unlimited products. So the thing that I like about Payhip is that they've got this free forever option right here. And then the nice thing that I like too is that it's actually very simple. Okay, so when you log in and you set things up, the actual interface is really simple for you to set things up, which is really nice. And it's, if you don't have much of a budget, then you should just use the free forever option and you can get it set up, right? And they've got some really cool resources as well, which I really like. Okay, so they'll teach you how to sell digital downloads. They'll teach you how to sell online courses, right? They'll teach you a little bit about selling, online, about coaching and membership. So let's just go to the online courses, right? They'll literally break it down for you a little bit, especially if you're a beginner and you don't really understand, right? So they'll kind of show you how this works. So this is kind of how it works right here, right? Someone goes into your course, you can set it all up like this. You can have video, you can have words on the bottom, you can add resources, which is really, really nice. You can drip feed content, you can customize it. It's really, really cool, right? You could add ratings as well. You can, have all sorts of, it's a very, very decent builder. Okay, student accounts, you can have previews for the lessons, there's a commenting system, you can get certificates when people finish their actual course. Is really, really cool, all right? So this is the information on all the different stuff, okay? They've also got marketing to help you out a little bit. We'll talk about this in a second, but I just want to show you some of the options that they have. So they've got things like coupons. A lot of platforms have coupons. So coupons is not a very big deal, all right? But you can give them coupons so that they can save some money. All right, so you can give them a 10% coupon. You could give them a 50% coupon for summertime promos or things like that, right? Very normal. You can use other people, affiliates, to recruit and sell for you. This is also very normal. It's nothing special, okay? Cross-sell, upsells, also very normal. Nothing special, right? But a good system should allow you to cross-sell and upsell anyway. So if they don't have this, I would say it's a pretty crap platform, but they do have that, which is nice. Referrals, pretty normal. Customer reviews, also pretty normal, okay? So just to give you an idea, they do have these options, which is nice, but just to be very, very brutally honest, it's nothing special. All membership websites should have coupons, affiliates, upsells and cross-sells and referrals and customer reviews. These are basic features that you should have if you're having a website like this, okay? They've got email marketing, which is nice. That means that you can build up your email list. Also very normal, to be honest, right? This is nothing special. But what is cool is that they have the EU GDPR compliant, which makes it a little bit easier if you're going to be selling in the EU, all right? Just so that you can add it there. You have got the VAT and taxes, which is good. Not all platforms have that. A lot of them do have that nowadays, but not all of them do have that. But that's pretty cool, okay? But the nice thing as well is I like their resources, okay? So how to write an ebook, how to sell presets, how to sell printables. They do talk about it, not in super detail, but they do give you an idea of how to do it, especially if you're a beginner, okay? And then the nice thing is they compare them against some of the biggest membership platforms out there, like Shopify, like Gumroad, like Sellfy, like Samcart, like Podia, like Teachable, like Kajabi. These are the very, very popular ones. And honestly, Payhip, if you compare it against the pricing and their features, it does come out on top on a lot of them, which is really, really cool, because a lot of these don't have a free option. A lot of them you have to pay membership fees and they charge transaction fees, or some of them will just charge a monthly membership fee. So it just depends, okay, on how much you're selling, right? But in general, I think Payhip is pretty cool. Now, I did mention this earlier already, but they work directly with Stripe and PayPal. Now, I think that that's pretty normal, but I think that that's a disadvantage because I think you need more options for merchant accounts, right? Stripe can be a pain in the ass sometimes, and so can PayPal, all right? So even though Stripe and PayPal can work for most businesses, sometimes, depending on the industry that you're in, especially if you're like in the make money space, right? It can be very tricky and you can get your accounts banned. So I think that That's where Payhips falls short. They should have other merchant accounts that you can integrate, right? Like Checkout to You, for example, things like that. And there are some other ones as well. But right now, there's only two options. They're the most popular options, but they're not necessarily the best options out there. I've had trouble with PayPal. I've had trouble with Stripe as well. I've been selling online a long time. So it would be nice if Payhip could add and work with relationships with other merchant accounts so that you can make sure that your business doesn't get into any issues. Because if you have issues with Stripe, you cannot accept credit cards anymore. If you have issues with PayPal, you cannot accept payment anymore. And that can be a big problem if you're a creator and an entrepreneur, all right? So I think that's one of the big downsides of Payhip. And to be honest, a lot of membership platforms as well. It's not just Payhip, all right? Now, what are the pros and cons? Okay, so I already mentioned one of the disadvantages, right? Another thing that I would say is that Payhip is great. The only thing is that this only really works if you understand how to market your stuff. Okay, you have to understand that Payhip doesn't teach you to sell your stuff. All right, it allows you to house your products. Does that make sense? So if you're a creator, if you're an entrepreneur, and you want to house your digital downloads, your ebook, your course, your membership, your coaching programs onto a platform, and you want to charge people for that service or that product, then they will allow you to do that. But they don't teach you to sell your stuff. So it's two completely different things. I just want you to understand that, right? So one is giving people access to your stuff, but the other is how do you market and drive traffic to your Payhip website. Now, they don't teach you how to do that because they're not a marketing platform. They're not a marketing course. All right, so it's great. You can house everything here. And I think compared to a lot of the other platforms, it's really, really good. But you just have to understand that you have to learn how to market your own stuff. And you also have to learn how to create the sales page for Payhip. Does that make sense, right? They're not going to teach you how to do that. Okay, so you still have to learn sales copy. You still have to learn how to create a video sales letter, VSL. Okay, you still have to learn how to create a sales funnel. They don't teach you how to do that. They're just a platform that will allow you to house your products on it, and it's very good for that, okay? But I'm just trying to explain to you as an entrepreneur, because once you start doing this, you're gonna become an entrepreneur, right? You wanna sell things online. You still have to learn the marketing aspect to get people to see your stuff. So whether that's on banner advertising or Google Display Network or TikTok or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube videos, right? Or Facebook ads or Google pay-per-click or search engine marketing, that's a completely separate thing altogether. And they don't teach you how to do that because they're not, they're not a marketing education company. They're a platform that allows you to house your stuff, and it's a good platform, I think. Okay, so if you want to check out Payhip, then you can. If you're already an entrepreneur, I think it's a good place to start. If you're just a beginner though, and you have nothing to sell yet, this might be skipping steps for you a little bit, okay? Because if you have nothing to sell yet, you're gonna have to create your thing to sell. You're gonna have to create your product. You're gonna have to create your course. You're gonna have to create your coaching idea or your coaching service. Does that make sense, right? So if you don't have anything to sell right now, you might not be ready for Payhip yet. But if you're already a creator, if you're already an entrepreneur, if you already got something to sell, an ebook, a course, consultancy service, then yes, I think it's a great platform for you to check out right here. So if you want to check it out, payhip.com. All right. Now, if you're here right now watching this video and you're just getting started, you're a beginner, you've never made money online before, you have no idea what you're doing, right? On this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of strategies to make money online, all sorts of different business models, all sorts of websites, courses, push button software, all sorts of different things. Now, out of all of them, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. There is one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary. I retired my mom last year. I make multiple 5 figures every single month, and I do this 100% from home. I think it's a great strategy for an absolute beginner who's never made a cent online. If you want to check it out, you can do it from anywhere in the world, of course. Go ahead and click the link right below. I've got a free masterclass you can check out if you would like, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of Payhip. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.